Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be solving another Leetcode problem number 511, gameplay analysis 1. So in this problem we have a table activity wherein we have four columns: player ID, device ID, event date, games played. So before we start, this one is actually an easy problem. I will go through the problem statement and the example given in the solution, given in the problem. Okay. So player ID and event date is the primary key, like the combination of these two is the primary key for this table. And the table shows the activity of players of some games. Each row is a record of a player who logged in and played a number of games, possibly zero, like it can be zero as well, before logging out on some day using some device. Alright, so we need to write a solution to find the first login date for each player. We can result we can return the result table in any order, and let's quickly go through the example that they have given. So in our example we have this activity table. We have four column: player ID, device ID, event date, games played. Remember in the question they have given that player ID and event date, these two are unique, like combination of these two is a primary key. Okay, so here we have 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 3, device is 2 2 3 1 4, and this is the event date, and this is the games played. So let's take player ID 1, device ID like same 2 and 2, so device is the same for player 1. And this is the one. Okay, and this is what we have: 2016 301, and this person has played, this player 1 has played 5 games. If we look at the 2, right, if we look at the 2, we don't have, okay, player ID 2. And if we look at the 3, so this for 2, it like we have only one entry, so 625. So this is the only entry which will be, which will be there in our output. And for player 3 again we have two entries, 1 and 4. So here if we see for 1, what we have, 1632. So this is the early date, like this is the first login date, and this is like in 2018, after 2 years he might have logged in again. So this is the one which we need to capture. And one more thing here they have mentioned, we just need to capture who logged in, like he, whether he played the game or not, it doesn't really matter, but we just need to provide in the solution that he logged in that particular date. Here this person is logged in on this particular date and he has played no games. Okay, so this is a pretty easy problem, I would say. If so, I'll quickly start writing the solution. Select what we need in our output: player ID, player underscore ID, comma. Now uh, now what we need to do, like same player can have multiple login ID, right? But we need the minimum, since we are we need to get first login date. So what we can do is we can get the minimum of this date, minimum of event underscore date. Okay, as now we need to alias as they have given in the output as first underscore login from our table is activity. Now we can group by, since we need only the unique of player ID, so we can group by player ID, and then we can write order by, since we just need it in this particular order, like 1 to 3 in this format, so that's why I'm ordering. But in the question they have given, we can return our result in any format. So this is our out, this should be a give us the correct output. Let's just run and check. So our solution is accepted. You see over here, whatever we, like our output and the expected output is matching, so we are good. And this is the solution. So this is like, as I mentioned earlier, like this is an easy problem we have, and this should give us the required output. Let me submit the query. Okay, so our solution is accepted, and this query is sufficient for to satisfy all the conditions given in the problem. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.